Good evening to you. Well, certainly more wind for Bill tomorrow and actually some rain to contend with. In fact, there could be rain at almost any time, anywhere tomorrow as these frontal systems push in from the west, followed by clearer, showery weather. Although I think in the southeastern corner, at least missing the worst of it until late in the day. But let's first of all look back at this afternoon, and you can see actually on the satellite picture that much of the country was enjoying quite a sunny day, although there were one or two showers lurking, chiefly over the mountains of Wales. But just look just a short distance away and you see quite a mass of cloud looming, and that's already beginning to bring some rain in towards Northern Ireland and western parts of Scotland. Indeed, it'll bring it into many northern and western parts during the course of the night, and then further out to the west you see the clearer, showery weather that's following. So if we look at tomorrow, actually by the morning that clearer, showery weather will have shown up in western Scotland and Northern Ireland. There, a fairly breezy, blustery day with a fair number of quite hefty showers. Eastern Scotland and northern and western parts of the country starting off cloudy with outbreaks of rain, but brightening up during the day, and there too turning showery. As the day goes on too, the rain will be edging further eastwards, so it'll eventually get into most central and eastern parts of the country, at least that is for a time, before there too it's replaced by brighter, showery weather. The southeastern corner, though, probably staying dry and reasonably bright, at least until towards evening.
Programmes for Sunday on BBC1. At 7:15, Porridge.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Would you Adam and Eve it? Go to jail.
At 7:45, the Sunday film is Islands in the Stream. George C. Scott stars in Hemingway's story of an American sculptor unwillingly drawn into war. At 9:25, Terry Wogan takes an irreverent look behind the scenes at the BBC.
A television set, or as we call it, the magic donut, or the concrete donut, if you like, built in a circle so that the rumours can circulate that much faster.
At 10:35, the Sunday prom features Gilbert and Sullivan's trial by jury.
When I, good friends, was called to the bar, I had an appetite fresh and hearty, and I was as many young barristers are, an impecunious party. I had a swallow-tail coat of a beautiful blue, and every which I bought of a bovie, a couple of shirts and a collar or two, and a ring that looked like a ruby.
And with World Championship cycling at 11:30, this is Sunday evening on BBC1.
For Rock Week over on 2, in a moment, David Essex and Ringo Starr are in the film That'll Be the Day. And on BBC1, in celebration of 60 BBC years, an episode from the often controversial comedy series created by Johnny Spate in the mid-1960s, Till Death Us Do Part.